in my eye, set on you. Oh, I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. And you know what that means? Only 3 days left till Christmas. 3 days. I guess the peanut gallery's being quiet this morning on that one. I'm not going to turn the camera because she hasn't had her bath yet. So, not a whole lot planned today. We do have some friends coming over, but we won't be videoing while they're here. I have to bake some cookies according to the boss. So I'm going to do that. It was either that or go out and buy some. And I said to her earlier, look at this face. Is this a face that wants to go out today? No. So we got some cookies in that Crisco hamper package we got. So I'm going to make some oatmeal cookies. Kelly had thought about putting craisins in, and she goes, I think we have some. Let me go check the date. Yeah, the date on those, wasn't good. So so that idea has been put to the side. We are going to make some oatmeal cookies. We are going to be taking you folks out later tonight. We are going to go for a drive. We're going to go see some Christmas lights. And not the ones that you seen the other night, but ones in residential areas. It's one of the more popular areas in Winnipeg to go visit. So stay tuned, and we'll see everybody in a little bit. Okay, like I said, I'm baking cookies because I have been directed to do it. So
Put chocolate chips in them.
Oh, blah, blah, blah. I'm the baker, not you.
Chocolate. Chocolate makes everything better.
Okay, like I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, I don't know how many cookies this package makes. It does call, it just says a quarter cup of water and 2 3/4 cup mix, but I'm going to make the whole package, so I'm going to suspect that this makes like 5.5 cups or something like that.
You double it.
If that's, see, there we go, because Kelly's made this before. So all I need to do is dump the mix in and double the water.
And chocolate.
Oh my gosh. Lady, would you just shut up?
Nope.
Does anybody want a wife? Free. Alright, here we go. The mix is going in. And I'm really trusting my wife on this.
I've made it 1,000,000 times.
Because she says so. So I got to put a 1/2 cup of water in. Oh, there it is. I'm going to sneeze. Oh. There we go. And a 1/2 cup water's going in. And here we go. Turning the mixer on. This is real exciting. Oh,
All you have to do is,
peanut gallery. Okay, I know what to do, lady. Okay? Just shut up.
nope.
I gotta find it first. I know they're in here somewhere. There we go. We have chocolate chips in the cookies, as directed by the lady in the background. Okay, try this again. Take that out. Oh, I didn't put my apron on. Oh well. And we're just gonna scoop the cookies onto the cookie sheet here. I have this handy dandy scoop. Okay, so Mrs., I've done this a million times. I don't have to squish the scoops down, do I?
Nope.
I think I just gotta make sure I leave enough room. In between. Okay, hopefully that works out. I'm still waiting for the oven to heat up. We'll bring you back when they're done and I'll show you the end product. Yeah, this is the first batch. They're on the cooling racks. These ones I just took out from the oven. That's it. So it made just a little bit over 2 dozen. There's, I think, 5 or 6 cookies left. That's it. Okay, I just wanted to show you what happened in front of the house. This happens every year because the plows, when they go by, they fill in the ditch and people go to park and they end up in the ditch because they don't realize the ditch is there. Now, the odd thing is these workers have been at this house for quite some time, well before there was a lot of snow, and they know the ditch is there. But, surprise, I found a ditch. Hello, folks. Change of plans. It's supposed to be getting really cold here. So Kelly and I are not going out tonight. We got lazy and we're having Chinese food to deliver. And she's over here, I'm trying to talk and she's making all kinds of noises with a bag.
Yep.
Yep.
The nerve of that woman,
Yep.
I tell you. Anyways, so maybe we'll bring you back when we get our Chinese food, and we'll just show you. And then we will have Advent. See you in a bit. Our dinner has arrived. So we don't get their, like, meals, because obviously their smallest one's like a dinner for 4 or something.
2, but
Or
it's
2, but it's expensive.
well, and it's got shrimp in it, which you wouldn't eat. So.
Yeah. So what we do is we order an individual dinner, and then we buy an extra dish, and then Kelly likes their dried wontons with sweet and sour sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's what we do. That is it. That is our dinner for tonight. We'll be back in a bit.
It's time for Advent. It's just way too cold to go outside tonight. All right. Day 22, Heavenly Light. As the 3 kings addressed the crowds in Bethlehem, all at once the dark clouds parted and the sky was bathed in a radiant light. The people were filled with wonder as they gazed into the heavens. In the hills nearby, some shepherds saw the same light. They had been tending their sheep, but when the heavenly light broke through the clouds, they fell to the ground in fear. All right, here's another day. We'll see you tomorrow.
Christmas